Hello everyone, welcome to Neutron. So today we'll be doing the current affairs show daily one-liner series of 27th and 28th June. So let's begin with the today's session. Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Prakash Javadekar virtually released the detailed project report of light detection and ranging LIDAR based survey of forest for how many states? The answer is 10 states. LIDAR survey was carried out by? The answer is Water and Power Consultancy Services. Name the India's first indigenous aircraft carrier that is to be commissioned into Indian Navy in 2022. The answer is INS Vikrant. Karwar Naval Base is situated in which state? The answer is Karnataka. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs celebrated the 6th anniversary of Smart City Mission Amrut and Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban, who won the Best City Award and Best State Award under the Indian Smart Cities Award 2020. So, for the Best City Award is jointly shared by Indore and Surat, and the Best State Award goes to Uttar Pradesh. Government's flagship electric vehicles promotion scheme FAME India Phase 2 has been extended till what date? The answer is March 2024. What is the outlay of FAME Phase 2? Rupees 10,000 crores. The two-day Hemis festival celebrated on 20th and 21st June was held in? The answer is Ladakh. Points related to the ministerial level thematic forum for United Nations High Level Dialogue on Energy 2021. They are A. Promote the implementation of the energy related goals and targets of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. B. 10 countries were designated as global champions for the theme Energy Transition, organized by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Who represented India at the 9th Moscow Conference on International Security 2021 in Russia? The answer is Defense Secretary Ajay Kumar. Points related to the Santosh Gangwar address at G20 Labour and Employment Ministers Meeting 2021 held at Catania, Italy. They are A. Code on Wages 2019 to reduce gender gaps in labor force participation. B. Code on Social Security 2020 brings self-employment and all other classes of workforce under Social Security coverage. And C. Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan introduced in 2019 for unorganized sector workers to be assured pension after the age of 60 years. G20 leaders took a pledge to reduce the gap in labor force participation between men and women by how much percent by 2025? The answer is 25%. RBI launched the financial year 21 round of surveys on ITES exports. RBI imposed penalty of Rs 8 lakh on 3 Maharashtra cooperative banks. Who are they? They are Excellent Cooperative Bank, Jan Seva Sahkari Bank and Ajara Urban Cooperative Bank. NCAER projected India's GDP growth in the range of what? The answer is in the range of between 8.4% to 10.1%. China replaced which country as the second largest export destination for India in financial year 2021? The answer is UAE, United Arab Emirates. Who has been awarded the top philanthropist of last century? So he is a well-known person. His name is Jamshedji Tata. Who has been appointed as NDDB chairman? The answer is Minish Shah. CCI approves acquisition of Zurainagar plant by Pradeep Phosphates. LIC, SBI and which bank were among the top investors to pick up stakes in Indian Bank under the QIP? The answer is Canara Bank. Name the web portal launched by LIC for group businesses. The answer is ePGS. DRDO successfully test-fired extended range version of indigenously developed Pinaka rocket and enhanced range versions of the indigenously developed 122 caliber rocket in which place? The answer is Chandipur, Odisha. Name the e-filing portal of Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. The answer is ITAT e-Dwar. Who created world record at the World Shooting Para Sports Cup in Lima, Peru? The answer is Rubina Francis. Prasalla B. Punamal passed away. She was a famous Carnatic singer. Novel titled The Startup Wife is written by whom? The answer is Tahmima Anam. International Day in Sports of Victims of Torture is observed on which date? It is observed on 26th June. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 2021 is observed on? The answer is 26th June. World Humanist Day is annually observed on? The answer is 21st June. MOIL Limited signed a tripartite agreement with MP and the Madhya Pradesh State Mining Corporation Limited to explore what? The answer is manganese ore reserves. So by this we come to the end of the today's session. So thank you so much for your time and patience, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get regular updates about my upcoming videos, and keep showering your love and support to this channel. Thank you so much.